If you're looking to hire a criminal defense attorney, one of the main things you should look at is, does this person have experience defending this type of crime? So if you have an assault case, you're going to want a lawyer out there who's represented people in assault cases. There's several different levels of assault, and ideally your assault attorney would have experience defending people at minor assaults and major assaults. Another thing that's really important when you're thinking about hiring a criminal defense lawyer is you want somebody who has a reputation for being a strong advocate for their clients. Another great quality for a criminal defense lawyer is the ability to look at all of the evidence that might apply to your case and pick out what's going to be important and what's just fluff. Another part of that is anticipating what the prosecutor is going to use against you. If you can think about that ahead of time, then there's a lot you can do to prepare for how to defend against it. There are a lot of judges in every county, and a good criminal defense lawyer is going to have experience in front of a number of different judges, and they're going to have some understanding of how those judges work, how those courtrooms work, and they'll have a knowledge of whether a particular judge might have a prejudice that would make that judge a bad choice for your case. At its most basic, you're going to want a criminal defense lawyer who understands what Oregon law is, both with respect to the crime that you're charged with and in terms of the Oregon laws that will control the evidence that both sides will be able to use in the courtroom. If you've been accused of a crime, of course, one of your main concerns is going to be whether you're going to have to go to jail. But other things that a lot of people are concerned about are all of the collateral consequences that go along with being convicted of a crime. For a lot of crimes, you could be looking at losing your driver's license. A lot of the time, if you're convicted of certain crimes, your boss might fire you. And so then you're kind of getting a double whammy. You're not only being convicted of a crime, but now you're losing your job, you're losing your income and your ability to support your family. In addition, speaking of family, if you're convicted of a crime, a lot of the times the people that you need the most, your friends and family, can turn against you. So one of the things that's very important during the process of having a lawyer represent you is finding a lawyer who can interact with your family and your friends, and while keeping your confidences secure, can also explain what's going on to your family and friends in a way that keeps them on your side. Because having a great lawyer is important, but you're also going to want to have your family and friends around.